Hello viewers, today in our channel we are going to see about astrology. Astrology originated in Babylon far back in antiquity, with the Babylonians developing their own form of horoscopes around 2400 years ago. Then around 2100 years ago, astrology spread to the eastern Mediterranean, becoming popular in Egypt, which at the time was under control of a dynasty of Greek kings. Father of astrology, yes, his name is Alan Leo. Alan Leo, born William Frederick Allen, Westminster, 7th August 1860, viewed 30 August 1917. He was a prominent British astrologer, author, publisher, astrological data collector, and theosophist. He is often referred to as the father of modern. So, what is the history of astrology? Babylonian astrology was the first organized system of astrology, arising in the second millennium BC. The history of scholarly celestial divination is therefore generally reported to begin with late Old Babylonian texts, continuing through the Middle Babylonian and Middle Assyrian periods. So, what about Indian astrology? Well, Indian astrology is the oldest system of astrology in the world, differs considerably from the Western system and Chinese astrology. Indian astrology uses the actual consultations of stars, positions of planets, and sun as seen in the sky at time of individual's birth. Indian ancient astrology systems give a completely different chart as compared to the one used by the Western astrologers. So, who invented astrology in India? Actual detailed records of astrological signs are continuous from about 6500 BC. One of the earliest authors of Vedic astrology, copies of whose work are still to be found, is Pitamaha, who wrote a treatise on astrology called Pitamaha Siddhanta. He lived and wrote his book about 300 BC. Who was the first astrologer in India? Astrologers in India astrology make grand claims without taking adequate controls into considerations. Saturn was in Aries in 1939 and 1968. Yet the astrologers Bangalore Venkataraman claimed that when Saturn was in Aries in 1939, England had to declare war against Germany, ignoring the two other dates. Is Indian astrology accurate? With all due respect, I'd say Vedic astrology is extremely accurate as tossing a coin for multiple times and predicting its outcome every time. Astrology, in my opinion, is not real. Astrology makes humans self-doubting, fatalists, and prevents them from achieving their highest potentials in life. Can astrology predict future? Astrology is always capable of predicting the future for anyone, whether it is a man, country, or the world itself. But astrologers can sometimes predict the future and events accurately, and at times can even fail to predict it correctly. To say astrology is a vast science that demands deep learning. So, who is the father of Indian astrology? His name is Maharishi Parasara. Maharishi Parasara is considered the father of Indian astrology, but he is also author of great books on astrology. Maharishi Parasara is considered as one of the 18 extraordinary sages like Narada. Can we trust astrology? Yes, you can trust them, but not blindly. As per my